So this is Beach 116th Street. This is where I spent some time on Sunday. If you look right here, from Saturday to Sunday, they built a sand wall here that had to be no less than 8 feet tall to stop some of the waves coming through. It's all gone now. The beach is leveled. The boardwalk is obliterated, for lack of a better term. This building is gone. I can't even get up here, won't even try. The sea is just blasted now. The sand goes all the way like 2 blocks deep. It's pretty crazy. Up here you can see how far back the boardwalk has been pushed. This is where the boardwalk used to be, and that's where it is now. That's where it is now.